Hello there and welcome back. Today's video's topic is going to be all about this one-time password. So what I have found is a Python module that is able to generate me a QR code with a username and an email address. And we can use this QR code to be read by a mobile phone's camera. And if you have the Google Authenticator installed, it is going to open it and add that credential. And from then on, you will have this one-time password ticking, and you can use that one-time password to verify the authenticity of that specific user. So what we need to do is install with the pip the SpookyOTP, and we also need to install the image modules. This image module is needed for you to generate the QR code, which is going to save as a PNG file. So, from SpookyOTP, we will import the get random secret, the TOTP, and the from URI. And once we have that, we should have a secret variable, which is going to come from the get random secrets. And it will take an n bytes argument, which we specify as 10, so it's the secret's length in bytes. Now, if we have this TOTP, we should initialize it with the secret. The user's name and the user at name.com. Now what we need to do is call the save QR code, and here we specify the QR code's name and the extension as a PNG file. Now we need to read the verification from the user, and we say that enter the code you see on your device. And what we need to do is check if the TOTP matches the verification. And now, if it matches, it will return true. And we say that you have successfully authenticated. Otherwise, we will say that you have failed the authentication. Alright, now all that's left for me to do is to install the image module. Well, it should be done any minute by now. And it needs some more time. Come on! Well, it's almost done. Very cool. So, now that we have gotten this out of the way, what we need to do is run this SpookyOTP, and if everything is right, we should have a QR code. So now I have the app installed on my mobile phone. I'm going to read this code, and as you can see, it wants me to open this authenticator app. It asks me if I want to add the user, and you may be able to see here what my username is, and I have the code 403.93. And now it says that it doesn't have a function called matches because it's called compare. So now what I need to do is delete my registered user account and reread it. So now I'm going to open this QR code again. It is asking me to open the authenticator app. And now, since my user is added, I can write the code I see on my phone. So 828436. And it says that I have successfully authenticated my user. So basically this is how you can use Python to generate and use this one-time password functionality. And imagine if you have a site where your user, after registration, is faced with this QR code, and this QR code provides him with a one-time password functionality to his user account. So every time someone wants to log in to the specific site, they need to take their phone up, check the actual code, insert it, and authenticate themselves. I believe this is kind of fun. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.